दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय शो। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट गीतिका कौशल और आज मैं आपका सैटरडे स्पेशल एक नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूं जिसमें कि हम बात करेंगे कुछ बॉलीवुड की, कुछ कॉर्पोरेट की, ताकि आपका माइंड रिलैक्स हो सके और आप अपना वीकेंड एंजॉय कर सके। आइए देखते हैं ये वीडियो।
You listen to an Amir Khan song, okay? There'll be wholesome, like deep intellectual lyrics, like होश वालों को खबर क्या, बेखुदी क्या चीज है, ओहो हो, right? Intellectual, deep. कोई भाई के 90s के गाने सुने आपने? मेरे बाप की बेटी मेरे को भाई बोलती, केवल एक्स्ट्रा, केवल बच्चा की ठक्कर। What's up? Millennials in the house, make some noise. Another year of us getting older. But no, speaking of aging, any Salman Khan fans in the house? Serious question there, yaar, has kar. Salman Khan, look, I recently became a Salman Khan fan because I think it's only because I've recently joined a corporate organization and यहाँ पे मेरे बॉस ने मेरे को एक कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाया, okay? It's called efforts to results ratio. Basically, an employee is very efficient if they are putting in minimal efforts and getting maximum results. And I'm sorry, but भाई से better employee नहीं है in Bollywood. He's killing it, dude. Like he's just. Like, let's compare him to two of his most celebrated peers, right? Shah Rukh and Amir, like the Khan wars, right? Shah Rukh Khan in the last 12 months has done Jawan, he's done Pathan, and he's done Donkey, right? All three very like path-breaking roles. He's challenged himself. Too much effort. Just too much effort. नहीं चाहिए. आमिर खान को देख लो, वो 4-4 साल लगाता है यार एक रोल सिलेक्ट करने के लिए, and after that it's the same like too much effort. बट भाई का देखो क्या मतलब, क्या मिनिमल एफर्ट है इन 2023. भाई's most celebrated effort has been as a corporate employee. I want to do this. Just this is the level of effort I want to take in my work and get results. Like bhai is, you don't get it. Bhai should be taking lectures in MBA colleges. तभी देश आगे बढ़ेगा. Like you all don't get it. और ये हाल ही की बात नहीं है. Okay, भाई has been like this since the 90s. Okay, like आप कोई भी 90s के गाने सुन लो, शाहरुख का गाना कोई सुन लो, okay, like मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, right? It's sweet, it's wholesome. You can tell lyricist ने effort लिया है. You listen to an Amir Khan song, okay? There'll be wholesome, like deep intellectual lyrics, like होश वालों को खबर क्या, बेखुदी क्या चीज है, ओहो हो, right? Intellectual, deep. कोई भाई के 90s के गाने सुने आपने? मेरे बाप की बेटी मेरे को भाई बोलती, मेरे बाप की बीवी मेरे को बेटा बोलती. वो आदमी गाने में अपनी फैमिली ट्री समझा रहा है. समझ में नहीं आता. लिरिक्स है कि ब्लड रिलेशंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर, राइट? यू कांट फिगर इट आउट. इट्स भाई इज अमेजिंग. यू डोंट गेट इट. वे अहेड ऑफ हिज टाइम, मैन. वे अहेड ऑफ हिज टाइम. भाई का एक दूसरा गाना था, बहुत हिट हुआ था 90s में. इट वेंट एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, राइट? लाइक यू गाइस नो इट. सी, यू ऑल नो इट. दैट वे. I genuinely think this is what happened on set. भाई अनु मलिक को ऑर्डर दे रहा था और अनु मलिक ने बोला इसके लिरिक्स भी हो सकते हैं तो गाना लिख दो ब्रो. ट्रू स्टोरी. I was there. Why not? But no, like I'm not dissing on Bhai or anything. I genuinely think he was very ahead of his time. Like right now we have all these Gen Z relationship terms which Bhai actually knew back in the 90s. There's one song, it goes, कोई तुझसे अच्छी मिलेगी नहीं, कोई तुझसे कम भी चलेगी नहीं. Which was Bhai even back then explaining the concept of situationships. I turned 31 earlier this year and it's crazy, right? Getting old is damn weird because now your habits change, your behavior has changed. Now I don't stalk people on Instagram anymore, no. Now I stalk people on LinkedIn. You know that pointless notification you get on LinkedIn? Someone has viewed your profile. I am that someone. And another reason I know I'm getting old is because now there's a lot of younger people in my workforce, okay? All of them Gen Zs in their early 20s. And they use this lingo, which I don't understand as a millennial, right? Like, can someone tell me what is no cap? Anyone? Gen Zs?
No shit.
No shit? नहीं?
No filter.
नो फिल्टर नहीं कौन मिलेनियल बोला होगा वो कोई नहीं मैं भी आपकी तरह ही था सर नहीं नो कैप मतलब मेरे को लगता था नो कैप बोलेंगे तो लोग टोपी नहीं पहनाएंगे बट दैट इज नॉट द केस मैं मेरे सब्जी वाले को बोल रहा हूँ गाजर का भाव इतना क्यों है नो कैप it's not what that is. No cap is something else. Like the other day I went to the barber and there were like these 21-22-year-old boys, right? And they're all saying like, oh, मेरे को fade कराना है, मेरे को color कराना है, मेरे को spikes कराना है, इधर mohawk कराना है. When my barber sees my hair, he doesn't ask all these bullshit questions. No. He sees my hair and he knows. He's like, sir का bald patch छुपना चाहिए. He understands the brief. That's what it is. Anyone here in their first jobs? कोई पहली नौकरी कर रहा है अभी या कर चुका है? Oh, you're in your first job? Okay, what's your name, dude?
Jamish.
Jamish. How long have you been at your workplace, Jamish?
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Wait.
Some guy in the back. No, dude, he's been there 2.5 years. Okay, but are you enjoying it or like you're enjoying still? अच्छा तो ज़्यादातर क्या होता है ना फर्स्ट जॉब्स में मैंने देखा है नॉट लाइक जैमिश कि लाइक फर्स्ट जॉब्स आर लाइक अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप ओके वेयर बाकी सबको दिख रहा होता है कि आपके साथ एक्सप्लॉयटेशन हो रही है यू नो यू कैन डू बेटर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट बट आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है योर डिलुलू इज द सलूलू Jamish, are you Delulu is the Salulu? Do you know what is Delulu is the Salulu?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Are you Gen Z? How old are you?
Yeah, 22.
You're 22. You're Gen Z, of course. See, I'm learning Gen Z terms though, right, Jamish? No, वही होता है. Like first job, like I'll tell you about my first job, okay? My first job was at an ad agency. Not the worst part. It was at a social media ad agency. Also not the worst part. It was at a startup social media ad agency. Exactly.
Did he get paid?
Oh, yeah, that's... See, people know, like, there's a reputation to this already. I'll come to that, sir. I'll come to that. So, हमारा मेन काम था, our KRA was लोगों के Facebook likes बढ़ाना, लोगों के Instagram पे reach बढ़ाना. बट अगर आप हमारे जॉब टाइटल सुनते आपको लगेगा कि वाह अगला चंद्रयान तो शायद ये लोग ही करेंगे बिकॉज लाइक एनी स्टार्टअप दैट्स अंडर पेइंग देयर एम्प्लॉइज दे वर ओवर कॉम्पनसेटिंग विद आवर जॉब टाइटल्स लाइक मी okay fresh out of college my job title was brand warrior there was another coworker of mine he was creative hustler and this third poor chick hers was marketing minion जब सैलरी आती थी हमें समझ में आता था that the only title that makes sense of this is minion because सैलरी में केला ही मिल रहा था we'd see our salary like banana like हम सब interns थे यार like कुछ भी and the thing is at that point we were so down on our luck right that we were okay being exploited because हमारे founders भी ऐसे थे like they wouldn't call us interns they'd call us brand warriors the same way they would call themselves bootstrapped self-funded entrepreneurs right when in honesty they should just call themselves बाप के पास बहुत black पैसा था तो हमने सोचा startup खेले आपके करियर के साथ after a lot of exploitation and all of that like we were not feeling like oh we are being exploited we were happy to be exploited that's why I have a problem with that scene in Three Idiots you know जहाँ पे शर्मन जोशी को वो इंटरव्यूअर बोलता है कि पैसे कितने लोगे भैया डिस्कस कर लें That's fake news. That never happens. You ask any final year student in this country right now, okay, he'll be like, मुझे पैसे भी मिलेंगे. That was our attitude. That's why we were okay being exploited. And after about 2 years, 3 of us, me, the marketing minion and the creative hustler, we realized कि यार हमें यहाँ पे और exploit नहीं होना. हमें कहीं और exploit होना. Because media industry. And I was very proud because I got another job that was paying me 20,000 rupees more, guys. 20,000 rupees more. Annually. I'm happy to report though, I am now at a job where it's a lot more corporate. It's a nice place. It's so corporate I can't name it in my set. I'll get sued. But it's one of those places where there's no concept of Monday blues. 5 के 5 दिन blues होते हैं. Quite crazy, right? Like at my workplace, they use a lot of corporate jargon. You know, they won't just come up to me and be like, Jackie, मैं तेरे को वापस नहीं समझाऊंगा ये समझाना तेरे को वापस नहीं समझाऊंगा मैं. Instead, they'll write me an email saying, hey Jackie, we spoke. Hope we are aligned. Regards. Like, why the passive aggressiveness, dude? Like I think about my coworkers having sex. Let me finish. I think about my coworkers having sex with their partners, and I don't think they say, yeah baby, did you come? No. I think they say, hey, any update? And the thing is, like, it's a nice workplace, right? There's free therapy they offer the employees, which is great. And after 2 months in the organization, everyone realizes, yeah, we do need therapy to be here. But I think therapy is great. I think every Indian should get therapy, for sure. But then I also realized that that's not economically feasible. क्योंकि अगर सब लोग ने therapy ले ली, तो संदीप रेड्डी वांगा की पिक्चरें कौन देखेगा? Who will go on Twitter and be like, hey, you feminist bitch! Sandeep Reddy has slapped you across face. Like, who's going to do that, right? लोग बेरोजगार हो जाएंगे. नहीं, therapy that way, like, it's good on its own, but you can't mess with the employment rate of the country. And frankly speaking, Indian men don't need therapy, okay? Because all of us in our lives, we will get sorted at some point. सब sort हो जाते हैं. And it always happens in our 50s. And it's always the same thing, becoming your housing society का chairman.
तो गाइस ये था वीडियो, बहुत ही मजेदार था, प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत ही नाइसली उसने हर एक पॉइंट को रखा और बहुत ही परफेक्टली उसने बॉलीवुड को कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ के साथ कनेक्ट किया. मैं भी अपनी लाइफ काफी जगह पर उसके साथ को रिलेट कर पा रही थी. मैंने भी कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में काम किया और मुझे पता है कि इंटर्न होना कैसा होता है. और जब आप कॉलेज से बाहर निकलते हो तो भाई आपको ये उम्मीद होती है कि भाई पैसे मिलेंगे, जॉब तो ठीक है, पैसे मिलेंगे. दोस्तों आप जरूर बताइएगा कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कि आप अपनी लाइफ को बॉलीवुड और कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ को कनेक्ट कर पाए या नहीं. ओके, टाटा, बाय 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 बाय.